Hi, so recently I've been taking lots of these things apart, bicycles and exercise bicycles. Now, when I started on it, I didn't think I'd be taking so many apart, but they're relatively easy apart from one thing, and that's this, the cutlass crankshaft. It's an absolute nightmare to get apart if you don't have a specialist puller. I'm something of a cheapskate. I'm not going to spend money on specialist tools if I don't think I have to. I was mildly sorry. But that is difficult to remove. Now in 1086 we found a bike in the river, and I can tell you, it was a nightmare. Now my standard approach to these things, I stick it in the vise like you can see, 10mm bolt, stick the 10mm bolt in there and whack it like bejesus until it comes off. It's been working. It's been working until that really rusty bike, and there was no way I was getting that off. So I was at it for about 45 minutes, gave up, went and looked on YouTube and looked at the various varieties of hitting this to get it out that you could do. Tried all of those and was about to give up. And was just about to get the angle grinder out, saw it off and think, well, to hell with it, at least I'll get the crank. When this occurred to me. So like I say, doing that is an absolute nightmare. Now obviously what I'm doing is I'm heating the metal, and this is expanding enough to loosen that, so a couple of sharp taps, it pops straight out. And I only did that because on 1086 I'd been trying to get that out for, it must have been a good 45 minutes, an hour, easily. And that was about 5 minutes and we're done. Anyway, I thought I would share that little trick with you because I found it immensely useful for removing something that is just an utter pain. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching.